Shouldn't you be doing your PPA, Liz?
Yes, I was just planning my lesson on sheep farming in Peru. I came in here for a mop. You?
Yes, I was just planning the general accounts PTA meeting, and I was looking for a ruler. There we go.
How's John?
Oh, he's fine. Yes, he's bloody fine. Constantly pestering me for sex. The insensitive lump.
Barry's the same. I've been trying to get through the latest Richard Osman book for 6 months now. The minute he gets into bed, he starts up.
Well, at least Richard Osman recognises a pointless endeavour.
I wouldn't actually mind a bit of 50 Shades once in a while. Just not with Barry.
Well, not even Mr. Gray can do it for me, I'm afraid. He's like Lawrence of Arabia down there.
Maybe we're just better off with a good book.
Yes. Let's stick to PPA and PTA. No PDA and definitely no BDSM.